Hello YouTube, today we'll do a video about the 7-Eleven's Star Wars Rogue One Cable Organizer Part 2, and this time we're looking at the Death Trooper. Now one thing I'd like to address is that there is a different packaging right now compared to the old one. As you can see, now there are holes for the circles instead of this where it used to clip. Right now the holes fit the circle in place. So yeah, that's the difference. And along with that, now this is my old one. I decided to get the second one because it has a different packaging. I am planning to get 2 sets anyway, so might as well get different ones. So yeah, that's it. There's new packaging, which is very interesting. Now this Death Trooper was hard to find, this Death Trooper design. As you can see, it's very cool. I don't know because I don't know if it's being hoarded or it's just rare. But yeah, right now there's a good supply of this Death Trooper. But in the previous weeks, it was really hard to find. So you just have to be patient and don't give in to scalpers. As you can see, I have 2. And I actually got 3, but I gave the other one to my friend as a parting gift. And as you can see, this is the Star Wars Rogue One click card. I'll try to get a better look. Oh, the camera is reflecting there, like that. Okay, let's just show it like that. As you can see, this part is clear. You can see my hand through it. It's not white, it's clear. It's very interesting. And we have a picture of a Death Trooper right here. So that's very nice. Unfortunately, I can't show you the back because it contains a barcode and the card number. So I can't show you. But what's written in there is just the instructions on how to activate the card. So yeah, this is the Death Trooper. Let's see if we can take a better look at the design. That's very cool. The tumblers were also released, and these were the excuse me, the cap of the tumblers. As you can see, they're both the Death Trooper. So check out my review of these tumblers, and that's it for this video. Oh, I forgot. I wanted to talk something about the camera will focus. About the other cable organizers of the line. Obviously we already got these 4 of the 6. So we still haven't got the Stormtrooper and the mystery character. My friends were guessing that this would be Darth Vader. But I think it would make sense if it was Darth Vader, because why would you not include the most well-known character in Star Wars, or at least according to my opinion. But I thought that why would you make Darth Vader a mystery character? I was guessing this was going to be related with some spoilers and whatnot, but I realized in making these, it takes years of planning, maybe months. But in order to design, to produce, production stuff, it takes quite a while. And maybe, just maybe, this is just a speculation on my part. They didn't intend to show Darth Vader in the trailer in the first place like they did now. So yeah, maybe Darth Vader is the mystery character. It would make sense if it was Darth Vader, because why would you not include him? But this shape doesn't look like it's Darth Vader though. But maybe it's just a shape, you know, just a random shape, so they could just fill it in. But yeah, who is your guess on the mystery character? At first I thought, why would they make Darth Vader a mystery character? But thinking about it in that way, I guess it would still make sense if this was Darth Vader. And I would also love to get the Darth Vader cable organizer. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Please like this and subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. And as I said earlier, please check out my next video, which would be the review of these tumblers. But I'm just showing you the cap now, so you'd still watch my other video. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.